Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel the Photoshop Express Adobe app subscription. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. So I will just open it. So here you have to just uh, log in into the app premium account. Then you have to open your Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then you have to open your uh, App Store. Okay, so at here you have to go to the right section at here at your account. So then you have to click on this payment and subscriptions. Then you click on subscriptions. So if it shows on the active, you have to click on cancel and confirm the cancellation. If it shows on the expired ones, you have to click on the remove. Then you have to confirm the remove, and by this you can do it. So it's an easy method. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.